Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's reach the settings, let's tap on it, and here let's enter the display. As you can see here, we've got the sleep option. It should be on the 5th position, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What's more, we've got the option never, so it means that this device will never black out. And this option right now, it is applied because it is marked. In order to change the option, all you have to do is simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes. And as you can see here, we've got the info that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.